Ever wondered how animators transform a handful of sketches into a full cartoon? It's not magic, it's a blend of artistry and technology. But here's the twist. AI is now revolutionizing this process, making it faster, smoother, and more creative than ever. Today, we're diving into ToonComposer, a cutting-edge AI tool that's redefining cartoon creation. Let's unpack how it works and why it's a breakthrough. Traditional animation is a labor-intensive process. Artists start with keyframes, the critical poses that anchor a scene, and then spend hours filling in the gaps through inbetweening. Then there's colorization, where every frame gets its hues. It's like assembling a puzzle with millions of pieces, where even tiny errors can derail the whole project. And let's not forget, conventional AI tools often hit roadblocks. They either require too many frames to function or lose consistency when handling dynamic movements. Enter ToonComposer, a smart AI that merges inbetweening and colorization into a single, seamless step. Imagine a creative co-pilot that takes just a few key sketches and a colored reference frame to generate a full cartoon. How does it pull this off? Let's get technical. First, ToonComposer employs sparse sketch injection. Unlike traditional methods that demand dozens of frames, artists can now provide just a handful of key sketches. The AI then infers the in-between frames, like a painter filling in the gaps between rough drafts. But here's the secret, it doesn't just guess. It analyzes the style and motion from those sketches, ensuring every frame aligns with the artist's vision. Next, cartoon adaptation comes into play. Most AI models are trained on real-world videos, but cartoons have distinct characteristics: bold lines, exaggerated expressions, and stylized movements. ToonComposer tackles this with a technique called a spatial low-rank adapter. Think of it as teaching the AI cartoon-specific rules, while preserving its ability to understand time and motion. This means the final output feels hand-drawn, not machine-generated. What truly sets ToonComposer apart is its region-wise control. Artists can sketch just parts of a scene, and the AI intelligently fills in the rest. Want a character to glide across the screen? Draw their start and end poses, and let the AI handle the motion. It's like having a co-pilot that's both precise and adaptable, giving creators unprecedented flexibility. The team tested ToonComposer on a new benchmark called PK Bench, using real human sketches. The results? It outperformed existing tools in quality, motion smoothness, and speed. Think of it as a turbo boost for animators, reducing tedious work while amplifying creative potential. So the next time you watch a cartoon, consider this. That seamless animation might be powered by AI, quietly working behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and let's keep exploring how technology is reshaping creativity.